This is Nash with Virtual Tech. To fix microphone issues, first we'll go to Start menu, then we'll click Settings. Next, we'll look for and click Privacy. In the left pane, we'll look for Microphone and click Microphone. There we'll see Allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure this is toggled on. Next, we'll check some apps like Skype to make sure that it's enabled for the microphone. We can also check Allow desktop access to your microphone. Make sure that's also on. Next, we'll go back to the Start menu, and then we'll type Control Panel. We'll open the Control Panel, then click Hardware and Sound. Next, we'll look for Sound and click Sound. We'll click the Recording tab in the Sound window. In the Recording tab, we'll be able to click Set Default. We can double-click on the microphone, click the Levels tab, and increase the microphone volume range. Click OK, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for visiting our channel. Virtual Tech's mission statement is to assist as many YouTubers as possible in addressing their Mac, PC, and mobile device issues. We actually respond to the text messages we receive. So if you have any nagging questions relating to computer or mobile device issues, please text Tech Issue to 818-732-9142, and we will promptly release a video on our channel with your question addressed. If you want us to keep providing free content, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can also donate to our channel by looking in the YouTube description of all our videos. If you would like to join our team in creating video content, text Content Creator Job, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, and enjoy our content.